Hello, in this video I will share a couple of my favorite keyboard shortcuts when I'm working inside Excel on large spreadsheet. When I first open a spreadsheet, the first keyboard shortcut I apply is Ctrl+T. And Excel is going to ask me, do I want to create table? And yes, that's exactly what I want to do. So I'll confirm and click OK. And what Excel just did, it wrapped all that data on a spreadsheet into what's called Excel table. Excel table offers a lot of functionalities, a lot of features, but the one I like the most are those filters up on top. So once we created a spreadsheet, notice up on top, the first row, each column has a drop down. So for example, if I click on this company, here I can select which companies I want to see on a spreadsheet. I can filter down to, for example, this one. So I'll just click East Ranch, click OK. And now the spreadsheet is filtered down only to show records for East Ranch. And I can keep filtering this data. So for example, if I want to filter also category, I'll uncheck all. I'll say I want to see only tillage. And then also let me filter by task. And I want to see only listing. So now I'm seeing listing for East Ranch. And if this is all the data I needed to find out, it literally took me less than a minute to filter it down to what I needed. The second keyboard shortcut that I use quite frequently is Shift+Ctrl+L. And that will remove all the filters from the table. So let's say I want to perform a different filter on the same data. So first, the long way would be go through all the filters and check them. Like I would need to check all the checkboxes. That's the long way. Or I can use that keyboard shortcut. So Shift+Ctrl+L. And that's on Windows. On Macintosh, the keyboard shortcut is Shift+Command+F. So this keyboard shortcut just cleared all the filters on this table. And to add the filters back in, I need to press the same keyboard shortcut, Shift+Ctrl+L. And now I could perform my second filter. For example, if I would want to see all the records only for month of June. So I'll uncheck all and June. And now I'm seeing only records for month of June. I'm going to jump to a different worksheet. If for some reason you don't want that table layout, you can use just the second keyboard shortcut, which is again Shift+Ctrl+L or Shift+Command+F on Macintosh. And that will add just filters. And notice once I pressed it, it is asking me to select one of the cells. And that's very important. That one cell and only one cell needs to be selected somewhere in the data. And let me press that again. So Shift+Ctrl+L. And if you notice, it added those filters again up on top. And here I can easily filter down to, for example, Deer Valley. And if I want to see only alfalfa. And here's my data. And if I need to clear these filters, again, I just need to press Shift+Ctrl+L. And that will clear all the filters, and to add them back in, again, Shift+Ctrl+L. And now I get the filters and I can keep filtering my data. My recommendation to you is just try these keyboard shortcuts out. Next time you work on a large spreadsheet, just select one cell on the keyboard, Ctrl+T, and start filtering your data. I'm very confident it's going to save you a lot of time. It certainly did for me. Thank you.